always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. The higher the monkey climb, the more him expose. And if we were to say that in standard English, it would be the higher the monkey climbs, the more he is exposed. And what it really means in Jamaica talk, is that you must be mindful that your ambitions may carry you where you can't sustain it. Or be mindful that the more you come into prominence, the more vulnerable you may become to having your flaws exposed, or you come into adverse attention from others. Yes? There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know with Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.